In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the refresh rate on your Windows 11 computer. Now, this is really important to make sure we get the best performance out of our monitor. Now, to do this, you need to open up the Start menu. You can then click on Settings, and in the left-hand side, select System, and then click on Display. You can then scroll down and click on Advanced Display. Click on the drop-down in the top right-hand side and go and select the monitor you want to change the refresh rate for. You can then come down to Choose a Refresh Rate and click on the drop-down arrow, and this is where you can go and select the refresh rate you want. Now, typically, you'll have this set to the highest number of hertz available. Now, if you can't change the refresh rate from this window here, you can also do this using your graphics processor. So I have an Intel graphics card on my computer, so I'm going to open up the Intel graphics software. But if you have something like NVIDIA, you'll need to open up the NVIDIA app. Now, from this window, if I come over to Display, you can see I can also change the refresh rate here as well. So those are two ways to change the refresh rate on your PC. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.